All right, they're like, Josh, take a ride in this thing, in this pre-war car, Delage D6. I'm like, man, I got twin turbo Lamborghinis, 1,000 horsepower Camaros. Like, ooh, man, that thing sounds good. Hold up, what is this? A Delage? Man, this thing is beautiful. Man, I was Googling and Wikipediaing, and it's just like, man, the car games got it all wrong. This is where it's at. No wonder people like Jay Leno and all them are buying these. Man, it's not about these exotics. It's about these pre-war cars. You gotta take a ride. You gotta check these things out. These things are amazing. I'm in love. Don't hit the curb, is what I was thinking, you know? Yeah, this pre-war car is badass. I need to get my hands on one of these. That's it. I'm on a new one. This is my new car game.